The government have always said that they protected care homes from the start. But claims by Dominic Cummings suggesting that wasn't true have angered carers like Laura Hibbard and Anne Clark, who now want answers.
We're trying as best. We're working 12 hours a day, 12-hour nights, amount of deaths that we saw.
I'd expect transparency and being open and honest. And I think if they've failed in that, then people need to be held accountable.
Hi, Nick.
Kelly, how are you?
I'm fine.
Back in April last year, I met care home manager Kelly Hopkinson. She lost 19 of her residents in under a month and told us what she made of Matt Hancock's claim that they were being protected.
We're getting told that every staff member in healthcare and every resident, regardless whether they've got symptoms or not, will be tested. It's a lie.
Now, a year on, she's even more angry.
I was getting phone calls from the hospital, you have to take this resident. And I said, I'm not taking him, I'm not putting everybody in the home at risk.
If it's proven that the Health Secretary actually lied when he said that discharges to care homes would be tested, what should happen?
They weren't just a number in a bed or a statistic to us, but he does need taking to task because, like I said, it could have been avoided.
If what Dominic Cummings says is accurate, then by March, the Health Secretary, Matt Hancock, was assuring the Prime Minister that care homes would be protected. But the reality on the ground was very different. By March, I had already witnessed severe shortages of PPE and a lack of testing. And by early April, it was obvious that patients were being discharged from hospital without COVID-19 tests. That practice continued until April the 15th, by which time it was too late. Helen Keenan's mum, Kathleen, had COVID when she was discharged from hospital to a care home. She later died, as did half of her fellow residents.
I'd like to know why he doesn't think he needs to apologise. I think that's a very poor reflection on a man in his position.
The government insists it did all it could to protect care home residents. But the Cummings allegations, if true, are serious and may prove significant when it comes to understanding what went wrong. Nick Martin, Sky News.